All right, with the weather headed our way, I was thinking maybe it's almost time to go on vacation right about now, but where would you go? There's like drama everywhere. We'll get into clouds gradually increasing for Eau Claire, getting into 65 degrees out there with 7 miles visibility. We do have some haze and some smoke still in the region, but it's only light to near moderate. We'll carry over into La Crosse, where you're seeing these clouds gradually on the increase. We'll see more clouds down to the south with potential for storm activity coming in later as we go into the afternoon, but we do have a chance of showers here locally, of course, with some morning fog. This is what's going on this afternoon and this evening and tonight. We have a low risk for severe weather potential as we get into the forecast. We're looking at maybe some damaging winds as well as the possibility of getting in some thunderstorm downs to the south. We'll also be picking up highs for Thursday here as we go into it. Temperatures ranging from 85 degrees all the way down to about 81 degrees. So local temperatures are going to increase. What it'll feel like on your skin today. You can see by the noon hour, we're looking at 82 degrees. Possibly it'll feel like 87. Later on today, it'll feel like 90 degrees as we get into the 4 o'clock hour with your 84 degree temperature, 85 degree possibility getting up to about 91. And remember today I was thinking about maybe it's going to be about 96 degrees for us today. Well, that'll be a little bit warmer on your skin, about 92, 93 degrees if that does occur. We'll also look for Eau Claire. You're looking at conditions to be like this for the noon hour, 80 degrees. It'll feel 4 degrees warmer on your skin there, taking it up to about 86 degrees later on for today, where it'll feel like between about 91 degrees on your skin, and then canceling out the rest of the day here. We'll hold on to about, say, 83 to about degrees, but it'll feel like 88 degrees on your skin. Going into how this all shapes up, showers potentially by La Crosse. That dies out. We get the clouds back again as we go into the afternoon hours. We see most of that rainfall really starting to build now, crossing the Mississippi River here and then getting over to Eau Claire, Red Wing, Wabasha's in that as well. And we'll also get Winona get in touch with that with La Crosse, possibly getting a mix of that down to the lower side. And then more of that shower activity coming down for areas by Prairie du Chien and then kicking over to Madison. This will continue on lifting up to Eau Claire and then continuing on by the 5 o'clock hour, 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock hour for your commute. It starts to back down to areas by Black River Falls and continues out with more showers and storms ramping up as they leave the region and head out to the lake. That continues on as well going into Friday as you go into the morning hours, the wee hours of the morning. Storm activity still working out of our region and continuing to build. We get a break from the rainfall with drier air in. Then we get a flux of more showers and storms possibly coming in as we go into Friday. That's just for the morning, but most of that will be well up to the north, brushing as you see into Ladysmith and down to Eau Claire, possibly with another storm to finish out the night. Friday night, that's what you just saw right there, is particular storm potential. As you can see, another low risk for portions of areas by along I-94. Once we get into it here, we can see about ½ inch of rainfall, 1.5 inches of rainfall I see or less. Highs for Friday, that's the big numbers that we'll see those temperatures continue to build, and it'll feel much warmer on your skin, possibly closer to 100 degrees on your skin going into the next few days. After that, more storms going in for the weekend, and then Monday as well with some showers, holding on to milder conditions.